Okay, here's some test footage utilizing the microphone. I'm in my backyard, I have my chickens going on, I have the birds in the trees, so we'll hear how that sounds. It is a little bit on the bulky side, but we'll see how it sounds. Now I'm going to go ahead, even though it's not that windy today, there's still a little bit of wind in the breeze. We'll see what it sounds like with the dead cat added to it. Now we have the dead cat added to the microphone. It is very fuzzy, a very big, bulky dead cat, so it'd be interesting to see how I could hide it amongst my clothes. I'm not in love with the large tag that's on there, but it's going to hopefully reduce some of the wind noise that would be coming through. And here is our control footage just using the onboard microphone that is on the iPhone, and we'll be able to compare and see how much better is it adding that external microphone. And here's a test being about 10 feet away from the camera, so that way we can see how the distance is with the microphone. And now a control test being about 10 feet away from the onboard microphone, only using the onboard microphone on the iPhone. After reviewing my footage that I captured with the RimoMic Lite on the iPhone, I'm very impressed. For a microphone less than $100, it had a really great sound, had really good suppression, and I'm just overall impressed. The one thing you do need to keep in mind though, when you are pairing these, is there's these two little IR sensors, both on the microphone and on the receiver. You basically need to have these two sensors touching each other, then press pair, and then it will connect. It took me a little bit to figure that out, but once I did it, it worked beautifully and it was super easy to use. And as you heard, it sounds great. So if you have any questions about this microphone, or if you're looking for a microphone for your iPhone, I would definitely consider this RimoMic Lite.